All right, we're going to work on stuff that I feel will help you gain more control over all these hammer-ons and pull-offs and hopefully bring a lot more awareness to your ear so you can tell when things are correct and when they're not. So, yeah, unfortunately, even with the new thing, there's quite a few issues that happen once you get up to 200 beats per minute. Not necessarily a lot of issues at 200. There was just one thing that I heard, but as you got going faster, especially like 235 and beyond, there was a lot of notes being cut out. So basically what I was hearing, like instead of having like all three notes each pick stroke, just that one at the end there, but like a lot of times it was more like so like slowly, it was kind of like this. So sometimes, yeah, it was just two notes happening instead of three. So just like last week, I do feel it's best we listen and look at what I'm talking about here, so this way you can be aware of what's going on, and then we're gonna proceed into this new stuff here, and we're gonna get very rhythmic with legato, because if you can control some interesting rhythms while doing legato, you're gonna have a lot better control over what that left hand is doing. All right. And when we do this stuff, like if I give you something that's not working for your hand, because I remember you said you have mobility issues, just let me know so we can work around it, okay? All right, so let's get to this. Let me see, it's around 1250. All right, here we go. In fact, yeah, that kind of happened right there. Let me change the size of this so I can move things around a little bit more easily. Doo-doo-doo. Alright, so we have the 230 here. I'm just going to play this back. Oh, come on. Play this nice and slow here, like at 25% speed, so it's a lot more obvious when it happens. And hopefully you catch it when I point it out here. Here we go. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Come on now. That's good. That was not. So right there, it was an example as to kind of things being cut off. So it was more like, that's what happened that time. I wish I could just nudge this back a tiny bit, can I? That's too much. That's way too much. Alright, 230 again. Good. So that's the thing I was talking about. You cut off a note. Cut off a note there too. So right there, yeah, cutting off notes. So I hope you can hear what I'm talking about. That was a big one. Da 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 dum. So you just the pull off never even happened to get back down to that 5th fret. And right there was a perfect example of what I was saying earlier, where you're just basically going. Okay. I will say it's good that you went to redo that one. Let's continue. Nope, cut out a note. Cut out notes. Cut notes out. Cut out a note. So cut out notes there. Now here's the issue though. This is the biggest issue. You're increasing the speed now. So let's just go back. Playback speed normal. So that's the biggest concern right there, is the fact that you thought you played it 100% correct. And I can only assume. So every time that you increase your speed, that tells me you believed you played it 100% correct. So, again, like, if you don't know, you don't know. I mean, we can't hold you accountable if you don't know. So that's the goal here. Trying to help you so you can know, and you do know, right? So just remember, anytime you have the tiniest amount of doubt if you nailed it, you didn't. That's always the default. If you don't feel 100% confident you nailed it, you didn't nail it. You didn't. You have to feel confident with it. Anytime you feel any bit of doubt, it's not good. So, so yeah, here we go. Counting this, I'm going to count it, the whole rhythm here at 60. So remember, like, it's got to be accurate the whole time, okay? Yeah, just take this to where you can, and like about, I'd spend, no more than 15 to 20 minutes on this. Get it as fast as you can, as accurate as you can. Yep, always start at 60 no matter what. You know that, you always do that, so that's good. So here we go. 60 beats per minute, different rhythm, every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, done. 120. Sorry, I saw something outside, distracted me. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 260. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 280. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 300. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn. I may not be getting 300. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. All right, there we go. Enough of that. So, any questions, please let me know. And, yeah. I think that covers it all. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you in your next video.